Here we have a 67 plate BMW 420D M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £5,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention one though, we do have the M Sport Plus package. Now we also have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We do have the blue metallic exterior paintwork, LED daytime running headlights, gloss black front kidney grills. We also have the M Performance kit on this vehicle, so you can see the gloss black front splitter. Walking around to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts along the bottom. We also have colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, with the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the colour coded shark fin antennae. We do have the gloss black rear spoiler on the tailgate, sitting nice and aggressive. We have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Rear diffuser at the back with the twin pipe exhaust on the left, and there's a look at that rear end. Back round to the driver's side now, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And if you take a look then at the interior, so inside of here, if you just fold the front seat forward, you'll be able to see we do have the two seats back here, full leather seats, foldable armrests and fixed ISO points. We have the same leather seats at the front with the blue stitching. Both the front seats are heated, and there's a quick look at both of them. Now we also have the Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights, automatic wipers and a multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, you'll find the dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle will start up. We do have the high beam assist on that stalk there, cruise control and speed limiter on the left, along with the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel. Now you can see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We also have the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the sat nav, but plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. We do have the buttons down here. Click onto media and you find the radio stations along with the other options here on the left hand side. Got the Bluetooth phone connectivity for the audio and also for phone connectivity with phone calls. Moving further down, you'll find we have the dual zone climate control. We do have the air-cooled air conditioning and the heated seats as well on either side. As you can see, all working as they should do. Further down, you find the cup holders. We have the automatic gearbox for the different drive modes. You can press these buttons and switch through the different drive modes, just like so. Also pops up on the dashboard as you flick through them. We do have the sport displays as well, which is a pretty cool feature to have. Putting the car into reverse, you'll also find the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park by pressing P, we then have the manual handbrake, and finally the leather armrest here in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.